Hi everyone, I'm Jacob. In this demo, I'll show you how Front streamlines communication so you can deliver exceptional customer service at scale. Front combines the familiarity of email with the efficiency of a help desk. The user interface is intuitive, with real-time collaboration and powerful automation built in. Unlike traditional help desks, Front's workflows are flexible and adaptable to other teams beyond customer service, like sales, account management, and operations. This allows you to design and deliver best-in-class customer experiences across your organization. Let's jump into the demo and see how Front helps you manage shared inboxes and improve service quality. I'll start by orienting you with the layout. In the top left, you have your personal inbox. This is where team members can manage all of their work, from personal email to assigned messages. Below, you have shared inboxes, such as customer service at and sales at. You can manage all of your communication channels inside Front, including email, live chat, WhatsApp, and many more. This makes teams more productive because everything's in one place. Clicking into one of the shared inboxes, you can see the queue of conversations that my team needs to handle, the full conversation with real-time collaboration built right in, and finally, a sidebar for integrations to bring apps and context into your inbox. Now that you have the lay of the land, let's look at some example workflows. For the first example, I'll show you how Front helps you categorize, route, and assign messages automatically. Looks like we have a customer reporting a product issue to our customer service at shared inbox. Messages sent to a shared inbox can be assigned to a teammate manually or using automated workflows. For this example, we've set up automatic assignments to round-robin incoming requests, ensuring messages have a clear owner and customers get a fast reply. You can also assign using load balancing or based on account ownership using your CRM data. Messages can be categorized in Front using tags. Tags are applied based on keyword, account and contact data, and even with AI. In addition to categorization, tags are used for workflows and reporting. For example, if a message hasn't been responded to for 1 hour, we get a response time warning. It can also automatically notify my manager for additional support. This helps you stay on top of your customer requests and deliver better service. Let's say we were able to resolve the issue and need a handoff to finance to process a refund. With Front, you can easily create cross-team workflows. I can type an internal comment of #refund, and it will route to the finance team's inbox. No more clunky handoffs. Front also helps you collaborate internally on advanced questions. Let's see this in action. One of our account managers has an ongoing conversation with a client. The most recent question is advanced and requires internal coordination to answer. With Front, I can seamlessly loop teammates in to collaborate on a thorough reply. No more forwards, CCs, or DMs. I'll drop a comment and @mention my teammate, Ash. Comments are internal only, meaning customers will never see them. Getting looped into a thread with a lot of back and forth can be overwhelming and time-consuming. Thankfully, Ash can use Front's AI summarize capability to get up to speed in an instant so she can assist with the response. Email drafts are shared between conversation participants, so Ash can edit directly, making sure that nothing gets lost in translation. I'll hop back in to polish it up, get her approval, and then send. Front's collaboration capabilities made it easy to deliver a fast and thorough response. For the next example, we'll look at how to consult with internal systems to provide fast and accurate responses. A sales agent just got a quote request and needs to consult other systems to craft a response. Switching between systems and copying and pasting may seem like a few extra clicks, but when this compounds across your entire team for every request, it results in massive amounts of time wasted. Front's dynamic objects automatically recognize IDs from your system of record and link it right into Front with relevant data that I can quickly reference for a fast and accurate reply. Plus, the information can be used for things like customized workflows. For example, if I hit this draft a quote button, it will automatically draft a quote with pre-populated information, and faster replies win business. While some customer requests require a human to be involved, many customers prefer self-serving for simple requests. Front offers an AI chatbot and native knowledge-based solution. With Front Chat, you can create customizable decision trees and capture information in a pre-chat form. You can also easily launch a public or internal knowledge base with no code required. These self-service capabilities empower your customers to find their own answers faster and frees up time for your team to work on more complex and strategic client requests. Beyond making customer communication a breeze, Front also gives you powerful analytics to track team performance and customer satisfaction. In the Team Performance tab, I can see metrics like message volume, reply time, and busiest time of day. A heat map gives me a visual of the busiest times, This information helps to staff accordingly or identify bottlenecks. I can also check in on individual performance, which helps to reward those who go above and beyond. Hopping to the tags report, this helps me understand what topics and questions are coming up most frequently. Going beyond efficiency metrics, you can also keep a finger on the pulse of your customer satisfaction over time, ensuring that you're always delivering 5-star experiences. You can't improve what you can't measure. By having these insights, you can dramatically increase team performance and deliver unrivaled customer service. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of Front. To learn more about how Front can help your team route, collaborate, and resolve customer issues faster, take a tour of our amazing resources like the Help Center, Front Academy, and Front Community. If you have any questions, please reach out to our award-winning support team, and we'll be happy to assist. P.S. They also use Front.